Okay, so I've started to cut in this larger southern exposure bedroom. The idea is that if I can get the walls finished, then I can put in the flooring. And right now is just this particle board that's on the floor. This is in the least worst shape, which is not to say it's in great shape, but it's probably in good enough shape where I can just cover it with the floating floor. So obviously I want to make sure that I'm not painting after I put the floor in. So the sequence is to do the painting, then the floor. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so the paint on the wall is called Goblin. It's a Glidden paint. It's a bluish gray. The lighting in here isn't great, so it may not come out the way it is. I painted out the doors. This is just primer. I'll go over it with a brighter semi-gloss paint that will hold up to fingerprints better. And then I reused the existing floorboard just to give a little bit of or baseboard, to give a little bit of an idea of the contrast of what the dark and the light will be. May go back with something a little bit more rich, a little bit bigger. But for now, that gives you a little bit of an idea of what's going on.